Kita niyo naman.
Ito, literal na lagari. Anong oras na naglalagari pa rin.
Ano to? Second installation ng ano? Art Attack. Part 2. Part 2. Okay, kanya-kanya bunot muna. Huwag bubuksan ha.
Okay.
Tigisa lang. Huwag titingnan. Tigisa lang.
Magandang sa ikot.
Tigisa. Tigisa. Huwag bubuksan.
Ayuda. Yung isa dyan, meron nakalagay 1 milyon. Ano, try again?
Huwag bubuksan.
Stop.
Ay.
Okay? So,
Last to sa akin?
so pala.
Last.
Last na. Okay, last na yan. So, yung nandyan sa akin nyo, buksan nyo na ngayon. So, yung una muna.
Oh, yan.
Okay? Hindi, bala kayo with sounds, pero with sounds, with action, bala kayo. So, okay na kayo? Okay na. 1, 2, 3, go. Harapin yung group nyo. Dalawang group lang siya.
Yung isa lumilipad, yung isa sa...
Oo.
Okay.
Lahat ng sumipat. Ito.
Ano? Walang sounds? Kayong mga land animals, di ba? Kayong land animals? Kayo yung mga lumilipad, di ba? Sige. Yung secret word nila. Ito yung secret word nila. Kailangan makita, mabunod sa kabila. Itong team Birdies, team Aerials. Itong
na lahat eh.
Itong team ano?
Alam ko isang ganito lang yan.
Ganyan lang? Okay na.
Sabi yung pwede.
Hawaiian.
Magkaroon pa yung...
Pero nandun yung ano?
Hirap naman.
Dinuguan at puto.
The same with this one.
Ito is...
Dinakma
No.
niya ako.
NG lang.
Dininding.
Patepas word. Meta.
Can we check number 5 and number 10?
Digma. This NG, no?
Kaya ba ng ano to? ChatGPT?
Yay! We got it now. Okay.
Ano?
Okay. We got the word. Okay, kayo ba? Ano nyo bro?
Dami ako ni Polio, team.
Okay. Explain mo.
We are the underdogs.
Okay, explain Irish. Irish, explain. Explain.
Paano ko i-explain? Yung...
Yeah, explain mo. Okay.
Indignation.
Ah.
Ano to? First is D. D, so ito. Pero may kudlit kasi, may kudlit. So we have to put I instead of A. Then G, ga, with plus. So you have to remove the A. So G lang. So ma, same. Wala to siya, mali. So ito yung so A, ito. Then nang, walang A kasi may plus siya.
Ang panglasing to.
Tapos ito pa, same. Tapos ito N, instead of na.
Itong ilo, nakakalito to.
Then C, kasi may kudlit sa taas. Then may kudlit sa taas I. Kaya ano siya. Tapos NG.
Hindi ko makakapansin eh.
Fresh na fresh.
Hi, so this is our piece for the Art Jam. It's called Icarus, and it's supposed to represent Icarus embracing the sun. And this was actually based on the Greek mythological tale of Icarus.
And
Would you like to explain that? Okay. So Icarus flew too close to the sun,
The
which
son of
is
Daedalus, right? It's the son of Daedalus.
yes, exactly. So he flew to the sun and it burnt him and it killed him. So the tale is an allegory of chasing your deepest desires and your passions. If you've heard the phrase, don't fly too close to the sun, it's about letting your desires consume you and burn you out.
So metaphorically, it speaks about us people when we grow older. We started to want to have more goals and dreams in life. And sometimes we get too passionate to the point that we're gonna do our best, even if it takes for us to be so burnt out, to the point that we became disappointed with ourselves. And the moral story of that is don't let the fire within you over control yourself. Make sure that your fire within you is controllable and you know to yourself that even if you have defeat, it doesn't mean it's the end of the world. Sometimes defeat can be one step to open more doors and opportunities in your life. So inspired by Icarus, and of course it speaks about not only for us artists but also to all creatives and to all people who are passionate about something. Hope you enjoy our little explanation.
Nice! So, the title of our artwork is The Twilight of Breath of an Artist. So, it features a majestic deer standing tall and proud, then its silhouette bathed in the warm host of a setting sunset as well. So, the sky is shifted from golden yellows and oranges to deep, calming glows of twilight, illuminating the scene of a serene yet powerful glow. That's why you can see it here. Recreate a powerful glow. The deer, known as the sentinel, it symbolizes as well the resilience and spirit of all Filipino artists. Each stroke of brush reflected the artistic breath of countless individuals who poured their hearts and souls into their work, just like what we are doing right now. The warm host of the sunset symbolizes the passion and dedication shining through even in the darkest times. Okay? It became the beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding everyone the beauty and creativity could thrive anywhere. So this is a testament of all Filipino artists for the fact that no matter where we are going, our artists' feet will always touch the ground and never forget where we are come from.
Yes, and we have the butterfly metamorphosis. Yeah.
Yes.
Metamorphosis.
Encantadia.
Yes, it's called Encantadia. So you will see the different vibrant colors of those. That's all.
Ayun, may highlights.